is not the place of reasoning, is not the place of understanding, is not the place of gnosis, is not the place of vision, is not the place of decision, is not the place of piety. This is not the place of sin. This is not the place of fearing from Almighty Allah. This is not the place of love. This is not the place of nearness to Almighty Allah. All those spiritual qualities and all those spiritual characteristics which have been assigned and which have been related and which have been described in connection of the heart, this vegetal heart is totally deprived of all those qualities. It means there is another heart which possesses all these qualities and characteristics described by the Holy Quran about him. That heart is the palace. And this heart is the capital city for that palace. This is the place for that heart. And the king lives in that palace. Because Almighty Allah, if you take away all these spiritual qualities and characteristics and understanding and vision and piety and all these spiritual characteristics and qualities, if you take away from this heart and this body just becomes an animal. That's why in logic it is stated as hawan-e-natik. It's become an animal. There is something which differentiates between this animalistic entity from humanistic entity. There is something which makes this animal a human being. And this heart, being the capital of the city, that heart, particular heart, all secrets which were given Almighty Allah, the secrets which were given to the king, the Ruh keeps all these secrets in this heart. This heart is a safe for the secret divine documents, for secret divine commandments which are revealed. The tanzeel and revelation is on the heart. He comes into the heart. Understanding and differentiation is done through the heart. And of course, medically speaking, this vegetal heart does not possess that characteristic. So all secret documents, the secret commandments which have been revealed, secret orders which have been revealed to the deputy, for the deputy to govern the country, to city, that are kept in the safe of a heart. That heart is a safe also. And the Ruh, the king, is the leader of the whole body. And if the leader goes astray, if the leader is right, for example, then all followers of the leader, they would be right. All companions of the leader would be right. All soldiers of the leader working under his leadership and command, they would be right. And if the leader goes astray, then his companions will go astray. His supporters will go astray. his soldiers, his armies, his followers, everybody will go astray. Then Almighty Allah has taught some secrets to his deputy, and these are the characters, the behaviors, the ideals, the values, the teachings, the commandments, the do's and don'ts according to Sharia, Amr and Nahi. All these commandments to govern the behavior of the body, human body, has been revealed and to the deputy. And the deputy, the Ruh, who used to live in the heavenly company of Almighty Allah, who used to live in Malai A'la, and that Ruh, يَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي, from the world of Amr, that Ruh was transferred to this world of Khalq, to this city of body. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ ثُمَّ رَدَدْنَاهُ أَسْفَلَ سَافِلِينَ. Since that Ruh was transferred here to govern, to rule the body, so certain commandments, certain orders, certain secrets, certain teachings were also given to Ruh, revealed to Ruh, to create an atmosphere, to create a spiritual atmosphere within the body similar to the atmosphere of Al-Mala'ul A'la, so that the Ruh may live there happily, which was cut off from its original company. Because the Ruh is crying, the spirit is crying, because the spirit, she has been cut off from its spiritual company, the nearness of Almighty Allah, where the angels used to live, where other spirits used to live, where always the lights of Almighty Allah were showering on them, where they were always praising Almighty Allah, doing tasbih and tahmeed and zikr and ibadah and worship. And the atmosphere where there was no sin, no defiance, no injustice, no act of disobedience, where there was just piety and pious atmosphere. Ruh came out from that particular environment and particular atmosphere and took the charge of the city of the body as the ruler, as the king. And Ruh wants, the spirit wants to get the same atmosphere which she was used to. That's why Almighty Allah sent some commandments to rule the body. If you enforce all these commandments, O Ruh, if you enforce all these commandments, these teachings, and you rule the body in a way that they adopt this behavior which I have revealed to you, then Al-Insanul Bashari, from inside will look like Al-Insanul Malaki. Al-Wujudul Bashari will become similar to Al-Wujudul Malaki. The dust will become equal to Noor. This will become closer to